We then time there and I said, and I Ajwa Yankee.
And we are the way.
Hey, now I'm not. I can't say
Small girls are young. Small girls are young.
I was in another way. Ajwa Yankee. Okay, Yanko. Now we can do my trendy, Anna.
Pa.
And you're my trendy.
Oh, baby.
I see.
Baby.
Me and Quay.
Kwesi poku bosompim.
Kwesi poku bosompim.
Tema West MPP chairman.
Ah, yeah, kwesi poku. I don't know.
Or saying, Yera Mahama ni appointments ni bi ehu. Especially wo Ashanti region honum no regional minister no. Say we compare or no now compare chairman won to me a. Ensusu ye won bebre.
Ah. Kwesi poku nyo no MPP no. On waka we no. Yenti ho.
Mama's kind of appointment is scary. Things that in our political discourse had never happened that under John Mama it has happened. Ashanti region, you give a minister who's 35 years to become Ashanti regional minister. This has never happened before. Ghanaians, we believe that the Ashanti tradition has certain understanding. You need to be an elderly person. We believe that every elderly person is wise. So after giving this youth the opportunity and the gentleman is performing, it's scary. Ashanti region is our base. And this time, I think NDC had about 20-something% or 50%. I'm not too sure about the figures. NDC they did very well in the Ashanti region. So if you have a certain youthful MP who is trying to draw the youth to the side of the NDC, and then we will have a regional chairman from that same region who is older than that minister, misbehaving, and that young guy performing. Is it not scary? Is it not scary? If you are comparing Abron and you go to that gentleman, is it not scary? Yes, it's not scary, very scary. So we need to be let me speak for myself. My sister, political parties are formed to win political powers. When people are doing very well in your strong areas, it's dangerous. Ashanti region, every time MPP crosses the 60% mark, we are good to go. You understand? We were not able to cross the 70% mark, so we didn't win. Now, strategically, John Mama brings somebody who is trying to neutralize everything MPP has been doing in the Ashanti region. And then you say it's not scary. And then you have a regional chairman who is misbehaving the more.
Yeah.
I don't on each chairman to me will be fun.
Until not trending. We there be a more cow leg. I am on Tona Mojifanko. Nani. By our Montona Mojifanko. You want beef, Papa. You're boneless and you're bone in. It means one Mama Konya.
Jifanko, dear Meton,
Mama Konya, the advertise Jifanko. You're boneless and you're bone in.
Boneless, yes, don't pay.
Don't be so moton. And I can't across a breast cancer month. Who say, may forswear your ambassador.
Oh, that's nice.
Because you're here, Jumanache.
Jubene, but what the road, Tasha, Nadei.
Hey,
ambassador, the old border road, no chess, a bosumia,
entity, I bet Menana owns my
David Unia. O manunya fansato.
Yo, my Ghana Fire Service air trendy.
Omo new equipment na.
There be nyanutia. Na ejada car satintin a omo fa containers ni adi. Na nka fire service abedu di nka fire tender si ho na nka yes. Pure water bag is a share bag no.
Ghana National Fire Service.
O my ko Facebook na koki. Na ye fa ba ko ni ato.
Debi omo she fire service ntade an omo sheda no makọ sha no me fire service.
Omo sheda.
I'm not going to question. Fire service only pure water do jano.
So be in so.
It should be in so. Hey. Debbie. Ghana National Fire Service.
Yeah.
Man, you bet me I no.
Debbie.
No nya kan dey so man no nya den. O to be so nyina ho nhwe. Enti dey bet me I no ye.
Ghana National Fire Service, but you friend ya grow. And just a quantum.
Debbie.
Brother show this one Ghana National Fire Service. Pure water na didum ja.
Man, ye kan security agencies ne akade omu eni ho asem a obi betina ba bia ka se ye no political. O man,
hey,
ha. Nyame na emo ye no mo ya fie ne ya japade ho ban. So atiase. na baby one mo kra jana to kra wa frekra mpo no kan na esi wono tender na esi wono man enye adwuma enye papa enfansin.
I don't believe this. Ebi oma form uniform na ahye o. Ghana National Fire.
Na so obeto be sachet edukura be we na kan na nyina ahye ni.
Oh, there.
And I don't want to know since you be a yes.
Me fi no nipa ba ko. Isi bi aye nsu. Afi wasa back. Obeto sachet be.
O man na be be amantie.
Oh, there.
Wo sha omu nsuo na omu dudum jana enro wo mo enye like ordinary water.
But that's the way no.
But o man into there say see ye wo gina hoi. Nye na omu say we budum no. Edum yo.
Enwura nyina sefo nyina na wo. I don't know me dey.
O man ejana edum ye.
Ghana National Fire Service.
Enim guase poto.
Me nyɛ sure so mo frɛ o na.
Enim guase.
Ebia na we mo twam.
Poto.
Ebia na we mo twam ti dey.
And o ma beto so nti o so mo boa.
That's what I want to see.
Yeah.
Ebia na
so mo boa.
Ebia na mo twhwɛ. O mo hwɛ uniform no so ampo. O mo yɛ 4.
Nti no mo kwen.
Be sure na car ni twam akɔ baby. Hey. Ghana National Fire Service. Mo van chimu kakra mere na efi yenko.
Yo, my there's a video bi so a trending. Galamsey nsensem ya na railway. Ye tu Galamsey na ma railway line no. Etutu. Etutu. Ko so the video na to Facebook. Serious o. Very, very, very serious.
We don't have no car was on.
Enoa de famu atima be se ko takwan soye mu honum no enoa bebe yedu no
Galamsey
je se wo kan kan be ka se wo kan Galamsey no a wo se da edi kan clarify say me kala bia ntare me ho me kan se me ye Ghana ni what you say na nya sa wo be kan wie no
you better
na ye de kala abo ho upe ye be hye watade na o ma design kala na ma
on my last story I made my one son
I ma hwe for me hwade very bad
o man to kan we ya ye nyina ye jetum se nye yi ya na wachia o restaurant do gba me why chian ma me na say o video e momodia na enkwa na ne nsanka bi. Wait, some few months ago, few months or 6-7 months more new. Ya two and Nadia singing na into train a do a crab wogum. Say train fast one. One must see here $18 million. And send you to me, yes, and see no. There was show Facebook $18 million. Yanka be se mo. Some few months or moja operation moya or moto to moniama. Nipa be a fatre, a siatre. Ako tu Galamsey wo hono mo asaya assassin Nadia na singina omatu no good.
It's just
Na ye kana so de be manyo se man yenyam na betu aka
o man ne wo hwansa na meko no abaya bia or trending 19-year-old na sa fraud MTN mobile money message CB ni dwuma odi ano no nti obeto ade no mo ye payment on delivery no ebedu ano wa yese wa send sika no wa edit message no e de atrew ti wo be fi say eno ano no nso na ntisa e na wa ye o de di vendor no twice e no ma hwehwe na chi akwan ano makwakochi no 19-year-old girl now start to say ya bra Facebook be he
ono akora ke to do no
serious
Charlie afedi Edbesia
ne wo hono no
abana kwai na fa birthday to carry that say pa